everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Himani Goyal Soul Studio. I'm Himani, so I'm back with my weekly horoscope for the coming week, that is 15th to 21st of March, as per your zodiac sign. So it's a general reading. Just have faith and connect with my energies. You will definitely resonate with these cards. So before starting, if you are new to my channel, requesting you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get video notification. Share this video with your family and friends so that they can also plan their week, as this week will be starting of Navratri. Navratri is starting, Chaitra Navratri is starting on 19th of March, that we also called as New Year, Hindu New Year, Gudi Padwa, Ugadi, for different states. So wish you all a very happy Navratri, Ugadi, Gudi Padwa, Happy New Year. May Mata Rani bless you. Also, I will put down timestamp of all the zodiac signs. You can reach out as per the timestamp. Also, for any personalized assistance, my social media handles will be there, so it will be easy for you to reach out to me. Follow my pages and you can connect with me. So without wasting any time, चलिए शुरू करते हैं. फर्स्ट zodiac sign है एरीज. मेष राशि के लिए कार्ड आया है बैलेंस, which means take everyone's input into consideration. So balance means आप अगर कहीं stuck हो तो सबके opinions लो, take everyone's input into consideration. So merge viewpoint to create a better solution. तो हमेशा बेटर सोल्यूशन तभी मिलता है जब हम सबकी एडवाइस सुने और फिर देखें क्या किसने क्या कहा है, उनमें से कुछ कुछ चीज़ों को मर्ज करके एक बहुत ही अच्छा सोल्यूशन बन सकता है. सो दैट्स व्हाट दिस कार्ड टेल्स यू, दैट whenever you stuck on some problem, so if this week you stuck in some problem, take everyone's input and merge it to create a better solution. Also, patience is very important this week, Aries. Don't rush out things. Take your time and plan patiently. Have patience. Things will move accordingly. So, all the best. Let us move ahead and check the zodiac Taurus. Vrishab Rashi के लिए guidance. Okay. So, Taurus, for you the card is King of Summer, which means this week you will be very warm hearted and devoted person, devoted partner towards your wife or towards your husband. So it's a romantic partner you can trust. So if you are single, definitely you will get somebody with whom you can trust, or already in a relationship committed, you should trust your partner. So it's a romantic partner with whom you can trust, share your feelings. This week, if someone comes to you and seek advice, the advice will come from heart, or vice versa. You can reach out to person and the advice will come from the heart. Also, this week you might get involved in some cultural activities or some creative endeavor. So overall, it's a good week for you, Taurus. All the best. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac पे चलते हैं, Gemini. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so for Gemini, we have the card King of Spring, which means this week you will be very innovative, very wise, very inspiring. There might be financial windfall. If your money is stuck, rest assured this week you will get your money back. Also, if somebody has taken money, lend, or they will also return it, or your FDs might mature. So it's a windfall of finances. Also, you will use your leadership skills as it is required currently. Your team needs you, so you will use your leadership skills in some project or in your work. Also, if you are in some NGOs or doing some cause, you will receive an unexpected supporter this week. So all the best. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac साइन पे चलते हैं, दैट इज कैंसर, कर्क राशि. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस फॉर कैंसर. Okay, so Cancer, for you the card is Justice, which means take the time to review details carefully. So it is the Justice. So you should review the details carefully, because if you sow good seeds, you will get rewards. If you sow bad seeds, you will get punishment in this week only. So you have to review the details carefully. If you are fighting any legal battle, rest assured you will win in the end. Also, make fair and objective decisions, because you will be responsible for the consequences of the decision you had made, whether it is for yourself or for your team. So you have to make fair and objective decisions. Make that in mind, that decisions should be fair. Also, singles might get married in court. Overall, it's a justice card, so justice will definitely be received. So all the best, Cancer. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन लियो, देखते हैं सिंह राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. Okay, so Leo, for you the card is Prince of Summer, which means this week you will be a little flirtatious, dramatic, very romantic, or that means you will fall in love suddenly. So you have to be careful, as you have the tendency to fall in love suddenly, and if that love swept away from your feet, you will have an emotional experience. So this card tells you stay grounded, don't rush out things. I know you have the tendency of falling in love suddenly, but be careful about the relationship. All the best, Leo. चलिए नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन वर्गो. लेट्स सी कन्या राशि के लिए क्या गाइडेंस है. ओके, so the card is Moon, which means this week you need to let go of your worries and fear, which is causing you not to move forward. So unconscious fears are not letting you to move forward, to see opportunities outside. You are stuck with past fears, past worries. So this card tells you understand the truth of the situation, learn from your past mistakes, and open the way for new opportunities. Come out of your past, use your intuition, use your instinct. You have powerful instinct. Use your instinct and move forward towards better opportunities. All the best, Virgo. चलिए लिब्रा पे चलते हैं. द नेक्स्ट जोडिएक साइन लिब्रा. लेट्स सी द गाइडेंस फॉर लिब्रा. Okay, so Libra, for you the card is Lovers, beautiful card. So this is the card of relationship, this is the card of follow your heart. So true love that is long lasting. So singles might get love of their choice, which is true love and long lasting. Already in a relationship, will spend time with their partner. Also, whatever choices you will made, it will be from the heart. So you will make choices from the heart. Also, if you were facing some health issues, this is the week where you will return in good health. So overall, it's a good card. True love is long lasting. So all the best, Libra. Let us check the guidance for Scorpio, Vrishchik Rashi. Okay, Scorpio, for you the card is Awakening or Hanged Man, which means this week you need to take a pause. This week you need to change your perspective towards the situation you are looking at. कई बार क्या होता है, हम अगर अपना पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज कर दें तो जो वो सिचुएशन है वो डिफरेंट लगने लगती है, एंड वी विल एबल टू गेट द सोल्यूशन फॉर इट. सो वी हैव टू चेंज द वे वी आर लुकिंग एट द सिचुएशन. इम्ब्रेस योर यूनिकनेस, अपनी यूनिकनेस को इम्ब्रेस करो, दूसरों से कंपेयर मत करो. There is a temporary pause in action, which means this week you need to pause a little, go with the flow, and think about your life purpose, what you are looking at. अगर आप रश आउट करोगे थिंग्स और स्ट्रेस लोगे तो यूनिवर्स अपने आप पॉज कर देगा. हो सकता है बीमार पड़ जाओ, हो सकता है सडनली वो प्रोजेक्ट बंद हो जाए, स्टॉप हो जाए. सो दिस इज द टाइम वेर यू नीड टू टेक अ पॉज. डोंट रश आउट थिंग्स, गो विद द फ्लो. सो ऑल द बेस्ट, स्कॉर्पियो. चलिए लेट अस मूव अहेड विद द नेक्स्ट ज़ोडिएक, सैजिटेरियंस. Let's see the guidance. Okay, so Sagittarians, for you the card is Princess of Spring, which means this week you are very energetic, enthusiastic, optimistic. It's the time to go after your dreams. This week you need to follow your dreams, go after your dreams, chase it, fulfill it. This is the time to expand your horizon. Think big. You have your dreams, you have to fulfill it, you have to chase your dreams. For that, you need to dream big and follow your passion. Let creativity take flight. So, this is the time to go after your dreams, chase your dreams, dream big, expand your circle. How you will chase your dreams? You have to think big, come out of your comfort zone. So, all the best, Sagittarians. चलिए next zodiac Capricorn Makar Rashi. Let's see the guidance. Okay, Capricorns, for you the card is 3 of Summer, which is a beautiful card, which means this week is the week for celebrations. You might receive news about your promotion, about salary hike, or some closures. So it's a news worth celebrating. Announcements can be of success, graduation, birth of a child. You might, you might find your friend is pregnant or getting delivery of a birth, or it might be a wedding of your family friend or family, or you have an anniversary. So it's a time for celebrations. Friends you cherish, so it's a pajama party with your friends. Cherish your friends, enjoy spending time with them. Overall, it's a time for celebration. All the best, Capricorn. चलिए नेक्स्ट zodiac sign Aquarius. So Aquarius, for you the card is renewal, which means this is the time to review your past and present, learn from them and make your future bright. So first you have to review your past, because past makes the present and present makes the future. So you have to review your past, learn from them, make your present brighter, joyful. And if you make your present joyful, you can able to plan a bright future. Understand your life purpose, why you are on this earth, what is your life purpose, what you need to do in life. So all the best, Aquarius. Now let us move ahead and check the guidance for Pisces. Okay, Pisces, for you the card is the World, which means the project which you were working on is about to get end. You will receive a brilliant success and ready for new challenges. One part of your work is over and you have the freedom to go to any direction, to go to new directions. One journey is complete and you are ready to face new challenges, new opportunities. Your superior is appreciating your work. You are getting promotion and you are ready to go and enjoy traveling to the world. So all the best, Pisces, and thank you so much everyone for watching the video. I hope this week will bring joy and happiness in your life. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.